Everyone says going viral on YouTube is luck. But luck didn't build MrBeast, nor iShowSpeed, nor Carrie Minati. There is a method behind every viral video, and if you use this method in your very first video, you can blow up even with 0 subscribers. Why this matters? YouTube doesn't push beginners. YouTube pushes videos that viewers can't stop watching. So the question is not how to get subscribers. The real question is how to make a video that people cannot ignore. Secret number 1: topic selection. Most new creators fail before they even hit record because they choose the wrong topic. People don't click on random vlogs, daily routine, introduction, videos. People click on problems, before, after transformations, results, challenges, mistakes, controversial opinions, examples of viral beginner topics. I tried waking up at 4 a.m. for 30 days. Results shocked me. How I doubled my pocket money in 60 days. I studied 12 hours daily. What happened next? Topics that trigger emotion or views. Secret number 2: thumbnail and title. Your thumbnail plus title decides 70% of your views. Even if your video is amazing, nobody watches it if they don't click. The formula for a viral title: action plus time plus result emotion. Example: I did 100 push-ups every day for 30 days. I didn't expect this. Formula for thumbnails: tension plus curiosity plus clear subject. Not too many words, just emotion. Secret number 3: first 30 seconds. You have only 3 to 5 seconds to stop the viewer from scrolling. The best hook structure is: 1. Say something shocking. 2. Show progress or tension. 3. Promise value. Example: everyone said I would quit this challenge in 3 days, but today is day 30, and here's the result. Then remove fillers completely. No intro music. No long introduction. No "hi guys, welcome back." Start with the problem instantly. Secret number 4: retention. Most important. YouTube pushes videos that people watch for a long time. To maintain retention, switch scenes or camera angles every 5 to 12 seconds. Add background music with low volume. Leave curiosity open. Never complete a point instantly. Your job is to keep the viewer waiting for the next moment. Secret number 5: emotion. Your first video doesn't go viral because of quality. It goes viral because people feel something. The strongest emotions that drive views: inspiration, shock, motivation, relatability, surprise, controversy. If your video doesn't make people feel something, it won't be shared. Secret number 6: CTA that boosts growth. Don't say like and subscribe. Say something engaging. Comment your progress and I will reply to everyone. Save this video, you'll need it later. Tell me if you want part 2. Interactive CTA, algorithm boost. If you follow these 6 steps, your first video won't look like a beginner video. It'll look like a viral one. And if you want, I can write your script, plus title, plus tags, plus thumbnail text based on your niche. Just comment viral.